Okay guys, this is about the tiny house with creative folding wall over there. We can see about the um, contemporary tiny house over there with steel structure system anyway, and it has special construction, which is this is a stair side on the left side anyway. So we can look for the surrounding tiny house itself. For the dimension of this tiny house is around 4.5 meter, and for the height is around 2.4 meter, and the height elevation between the ground floor and the first floor is around 2.1 meter from finished floor to finished floor in above. Okay, so we can look for the several interior design and several element design anyway. So we can see about the um, room arrangement or layout arrangement. It has one communal room in the ground floor over there, and it has indoor room and outdoor room anyway. In the indoor and outdoor room has one level of the floor with floor decking, so it could be expand of the areas of the indoor and outdoor room, so it would be a spacious feel of the space of this ground floor anyway. And then for go to the first floor, it just up to the stair anyway. It just up to the stair. This is with steel structural system of the stair with wood of staircase anyway. And this is about the another floor. This is about the first floor anyway. It has small kitchen and leisure or small dining area anyway, and this is about the bedroom area. And the two of this and the both of room could be open and closed for the panel. It has folded panel anyway. This is a folded panel, so when the night come, it just flip this panel to this position right there, same as this left side of the room, which is this is a kitchen and cabinet, and with small chair and table for eating and relaxing over there. And overall it has a large glazing window transparency, a large transparency window to explore for the environment for this neighborhood. Okay, we can see about the more detail about this tiny house. Anyway, we can see about the floor, about the room arrangement of the second floor anyway. So we can see about the details that this is one closet room in this area. It's just small closet room over there, and it has wardrobe area. This is about the wardrobe area, and it's done. It is just for a closet room. It's very compact and simple anyway. It just use the small space for many purpose anyway. It's just small space and many purpose, which is this is about the kitchen and wardrobe, and then the shelves and cabinet and closet, and this is about the small cabinet again over there. Okay, and okay, we can explore more about it for the next video maybe. Then thanks for watching of this tiny house design anyway, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.